Hi everyone, so today you're going to work on an inequality EOG review on one side and then surface area on the other. So for the first 6, you're going to match your graph with the inequality. So if you remember, if you have an open circle, you need greater than or less than. And a closed circle is going to have a line under it. So if I was looking at, let's say, number 5, I'm going to rewrite that just to make it easier for me. So x is less than -1. So I need an open circle on -1, and x is less than, so it's going to be g. X is greater than or equal to 2. So I'm going to need a closed dot, and I know that x is greater than, so it's going to be O. So for these first 6, you're going to give me the letter. Then let's try number 10. You're going to solve each. And because I divided by a positive number, I don't reverse my inequality. So k is greater than -2. So I need an open dot on -2, and it needs to be greater than, so that would be A. Let's try 14, so I'm going to add 15 to each side. And I get 48. Thank you. So I'm going to divide by 6 on each side. So P is less than 8. And I don't reverse the inequality because I know that 6 is a positive number. So I need an open dot on 8, and it needs to be less than, so that would be N. All right, let's try, let's go ahead and do 18. So I'm going to subtract 5 on each side, and I get 0 is less than m divided by 12. I'm going to multiply by 12 on each side. So m is greater than 0, or m is greater than 0. So I need an open dot on 0, and I need greater than. All right, so if you have any questions on that side, that's what you're going to be doing. All right, on the back, you're actually doing surface area. Remember, surface area is when you find the area of all the faces and then you add them up. So for this one, you have 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 3 times 4 divided by 2 gives me 6. This one's also going to be 6 because they're congruent. And then 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I get 21. 2, 3, 4, 5 times 7, I get 35. And then 4 times 7, I get 28. So then I'm going to take all these numbers and add them up. So 21 plus 35 plus 28 plus 6 plus 6. And I get 96, which is C. All right, let's do one of these at the bottom. So I'm going to draw my net. And I told you guys to choose a number. Could be any of them. I'm going to choose 10. And then you're going to alternate between the other two. So 12, 7.5, 12, 7.5. Then you're going to find the area of each face. 7.5 times 12 I get 90. And then 7.5 times 10, I'm going to get 75. 120, 75. Then I'm going to add those numbers up. And I get 570. So that's going to be this one. All right, let's choose some of these triangular prisms. So the sides of the triangle make up your width. So I've got 13, 10, and 15. Then I know the height of this triangle is 12. And I know the distance between the two bases is, hang on, this one shouldn't be 10, this one should be 14. Distance between the two bases is 10. So I know that I got 130, 140, 150, and then 12 times 14 divided by 2. So then I'm going to add those numbers up. And I get 504. Okay, maybe I added something wrong. Let's try again. Oh, hang on. 12 times 14 divided by 2 is 84, not 42. No wonder that's wrong. Okay, let's add them up again. $578. Well, that makes me feel better. It's still not over there. Okay, let me check. $130 plus 84 is 84 plus 140 plus 150. 588. Jeez Louise. That one took a lot of effort. So you gotta be really careful when you're putting them in the calculator. All right, so that's what you're gonna do for these questions. If you have any questions, let me know. Take your time, make sure you show your work. Have a great rest of your day.